Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to log out a Google account on your Poco phone. To log out your Google account, go to Settings, then scroll down to the Additional Settings, and now you should see Accounts and Sync, and now you'll see your account in here, so you can click on that, then it will show you your email, and if you click on More, then Remove Account, then remove account again, now OK, and you may need to enter either your fingerprint or your screen lock. And now the account has been removed. To add it back again or add another one, click on Add Account. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.